There's plenty for those attending this headline event for Saudi Arabia to be discussing, not least what punch it might pack in terms of the CEOs in attendance over the next 3 days and what, if any, deals might be announced. Ultimately, whether this glitzy gathering in Riyadh can still attract top international decision makers. Back in 2017, when it was launched, it was dubbed Davos in the Desert, though no official connection to Davos, the World Economic Forum. Nonetheless, the buzz faded somewhat last year, with top financiers choosing to stay away. This year, CEOs from the likes of SoftBank and Credit Suisse are thought to be in attendance. Japan's SoftBank is looking for more money for its second technology fund. Saudi Arabia gave $40 billion to its first. When it comes to investment opportunities in this country, the headline grabber is Saudi Aramco's potential IPO. On October the 20th, we were expecting them to announce a listing flotation on the Saudi Stock Exchange of between 1% to 2%. That's been delayed, with advisors telling banks the company will wait until its third quarter results are announced to try and boost investor confidence. This does all come on the back of 2 attacks on Saudi oil facilities in September that had dramatic consequences. According to Reuters, citing sources, that announcement, though, about a planned IPO could come on November the 3rd. Events like this are also key for Saudi Arabia as it looks to diversify its economy away from a reliance on oil and push through its privatisation goals. The stated aim of that is to raise up to $10.66 billion by 2020. The tourism sector here is anticipated to be a discussion point for investment as the kingdom embarks on mega projects to attract more visitors. But as much as forums like this might raise the investment profile of Saudi Arabia, analysts also point to changing commercial regulations and transparency measures as having a major impact on investor sentiment. Last year's event was dominated by leaders from Arab and Asia countries. This year has a bit more of a global feel. Brazil's president and India's prime minister in attendance, and a US delegation involving the likes of Energy Secretary Rick Perry and Senior Advisor Jared Kushner. Jacob Greaves, CGTN in Riyadh.